This is a trend that's already begun to emerge. NVIDIA has introduced a tool called BioNemo, an ELM aimed at the biotech sector. 27 Google's Contact Center AI is a tool trained to handle customer service interactions. 28 Bloomberg is designed to answer finance industry-related questions. 29 ClimateBert is a model trained on climate change research and can advise businesses on their climate-related risks. 30. As businesses realize the benefits of models trained specifically for their sector, we're likely to see more demand for these types of services. More than one-third of enterprises are already planning to train and customize ELMs for their business needs in the future. 31 Private ELMs are likely where the true potential of generative AI lies for businesses. They are developed and maintained by organizations that keep underlying code proprietary and closed to the public. These ELMs are purpose-specific, hosted securely, and trained on private data, and they can offer tremendous competitive advantage to organizations. This is likely the next wave in the generative AI journey. The motivational poster has gone from mere corporate glitch to its own category of meme. But one overused aphorism may reclaim its stature as an enterprise imperative, or only limited by our imagination. While you might have heard the saying before, teams and organizations have always been bound by limiting factors. They don't have enough data or the right data. Leadership is skeptical, or most dreaded of all, that won't move the needle. But in a generative AI world, imagination truly is the only limit. It's now possible to create constant streams of content, identify new operational efficiencies, or scan regulatory filings or customer reviews in minutes. Now the only question is, what do you want to know? Asking better questions will become a crucial skill set in enterprises that have adopted generative AI. This trend may create demand for a new type of leader, one that is driven more by creativity than we've seen in the past. The past 20 years or so have seen leaders rewarded for steering their organizations based on data and insights, rather than gut and instinct. But the next few years could see more imaginative leaders leap ahead. Give an image generator a boring prompt, and it will produce a boring picture. The same is true of generative AI applications at the enterprise level. Unimaginative use cases produce limited impact. As more businesses attempt to differentiate themselves from their competition, leaders who can find creative new applications for generative AI may separate themselves from their peers who are busy just following data.